Alrighty, everybody, we got a new video. We're going to open up a hanger box of Topps 2023 update series. Some cool new parallels in update. Let's see who we can pull. Doesn't look like we got a relic. There might be something green in there, though. I think those are numbered at a $4.99. If we can get a good rookie, that'd be nice. Here we go. Upside down, per usual. Oh, they love throwing them every way. It's a nice card right there. A couple of rookie cards, Hayward, Pham. Yeah, we do have something at a $4.99. It's going to be Emmanuel Valdez, rookie card, green. Then we got a royal blue rookie. Hollow foil. Then we got some inserts here. We got Acuna. So we got a Von Grissom. Bunch of rookies, Jordan Walker. Rookie card there, James McCann. Come on, top us off with a nice Corbin Carroll rookie card. Michael Harris. So that's not bad. And that's going to do it. Thank you for watching.